There are some myth-busting facts about homeopathy. Myth number one: homeopathic medicines are slow to act. The fact is that several types of disease, chronic or acute, can be treated effectively with homeopathy. Unfortunately, people tend to go to a homeopath only when the acute problem becomes chronic. That is, it becomes more severe and difficult to treat. Homeopathic remedies act as fast as conventional medicine, sometimes even faster. Myth number two: coffee and onion cannot be taken during homeopathic treatment. The fact is, can be taken, keeping a gap of about half an hour. Myth number three: homeopathy is against surgery. Not really. Surgery is a part of homeopathy. Some of the surgical diseases like piles, fissure, tonsillitis, etc. can be cured without surgery. Myth number four: homeopathic medicines contain steroids or cortisone. The fact is, it is absurd to even think that homeopathy may contain cortisone. Myth number five: homeopathy first aggravate the disease and then improve. It is a myth. It does not happen to all cases, but if the medicine is repeated more than the need or the potency chosen is higher than required by the patient, then there is medicinal aggravation or increase in the complaints. But these symptoms would subside or on its own as soon as that medicine is withdrawn and the right potency medicine is to be administered for getting the curative action. Myth number six: homeopathy pills are nothing but placebo pills, an inactive pill with no therapeutic effect. The fact is, homeopathy is being practiced for the last 200 years and in 175 countries. So, if one thinks this way, that is nothing but ignorance. The support for homeopathy is growing among the people as it works for them. Myth number seven: homeopathy is black magic. And the fact is, homeopathy is based on principle like cures like. Homeopathy is a science which is accepted based on the result of various clinical trials performed on the healthy human beings. Myth number 8: are there really no side effects of homeopathy medicine? Generally, there are no side effects of homeopathy medicine if prescribed in potency of 3 Ch and above. However, some tinctures and triturates in very low potency like 1x, 2x have some side effects of minor nature. Myth number 9: in the homeopathic system, we do not require diagnostic help. The diagnosis really helps a lot in prescribing the correct medicine. Even though not always, sometimes few investigation must be recommended in certain cases to confirm the diagnosis, assess prognosis, select medicine or potency, or to monitor the effectiveness of the treatment.